and today I'm going to show you my They Not Like Us upcycle. I took a hoodie, a white tee, and some denim and made a dress. Let me show you what it looks like. It's definitely too new for you. Let me show you how I made it. I cut out the pieces of the denim already. And you know I love a pleat, so it's going to be a pleat. This is the front piece, back piece, and then I'm going to make some belt loops.
So now I'm just taking the two end pieces and I'm going to sew them together to make the piece even longer. Once you've sewn them together, then you're just going to gather all of the fabric together.
Now I got all this together.
So right around this time, my sewing machine didn't want to work for me. So I ended up taking a break and going fabric shopping. It gave me a little bit more inspiration, actually. Let me show you what I got.
Well, that didn't go right.
So today I'm going to be doing a fabric haul. And it's not from Joann's. I went somewhere else. Where did I go? Hobby Lobby. The first thing that I got was this fabric right here. It's like a rayon fabric. So soft. It's so nice. And I'm going to be making a short set with this, depending on how much fabric. I think I got 3 yards, so. This, I don't remember. I want to say it was $5 a yard, I think. And the next fabric is red stretchy fabric. Now I'm going to be doing a project with this red fabric, so you'll be seeing this very, very soon. And then I got this fabric right here. I'm going to make a fabulous project with this. I can't wait to show you. Then I got this. And this was $4.99 a yard. And isn't it pretty? So pretty. I bought these to put on some jeans. So let's see how it turns out. So it was a pretty good haul, right? I didn't even show you what this is. It's a rimlet. So it's LA. So when I saw this fabric, I instantly thought of Kendrick Lamar in the They Not Like Us video. His hat that he had on. Did you see it? Yeah, so this is what the fabric made me think of. So that's exactly what I'm going to make. I'm going to DIY, actually. So what I did was grab a hat.
So what I did was trace the hat that I already had. And then this is the template right here. You're going to cut 6 of these out. And then you're going to cut 2 of these. So you're just going to pin your pieces together. And then take them over to the sewing machine and stitch them up. So here's the denim. I cut it out in denim.
With good sides together, you're going to stitch a straight line all the way around the brim. So once you're done stitching, then you just want to cut slits all around the curve. So once you turn it inside out, it'll lay flat. So after I turned it right side out, I put the template inside.
See, just inserted it on the inside. So it's coming together, you guys. It's coming together.
So now I'm going to take the other pieces and stitch them together and then attach. And then I stitch the edges of the hat together. And then I join the 6 pieces to the brim of the hat. This is kind of easy to make.
Okay, so I got it all done, you guys. Don't it look nice? I'm so excited. I hope my brother like it though. So the hat turned out pretty cute. What you think? Is it too new for you? I hope you like it. So I made the hat and then I just put the scarf around it. And this one's gonna be for my man. And then I made a red one for my brother. Now this hat can be for a girl too. We gotta make them for the Super Bowl so we can come to the Super Bowl and show out in New Orleans.
Louisiana. I know it stands for LA, but it could be Louisiana too, right? And then you got the finished project. You got the They Not Like Us hoodie mini, period. And this one right here is for my brother. He's a huge Detroit fan, so I had to make his Detroit style.
Thanks so much for DIYing with me today. Let me know if you like my They Not Like Us dress. It's definitely too new for you. Hopefully Drake don't try to sue me too. I'll keep you posted.
Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.